Alrighty, so today we are back looking at the Kioptrix machine from Vulnhub. So first of all, we're just opening up Vulnhub itself, having a bit of a look, and I'm going to take a look and see what the flag is. So it's an email flag, so I'm assuming that because we need to get root access, that the mail will be under the root account. So we'll just need to keep that for later. So first of all, we're just going to start with an nmap scan of the IP address. Now I've already gone in and got this IP address out of my DHCP. Just to save on time a little bit. Alright, so you can see from the nmap output that we do have a few open ports. The first thing we'll be going after is 139, which is on this machine hosted by Samba. So first thing we're going to do is use SMB client to connect to the Samba server and see what version of Samba is actually running on this machine. We're also going to use just anonymous authentication, so no username or password. And as you can see from the output there, we are running Samba 2.2.1a. So we're going to head over and do a Google search and just see if there's any exploits that are actually created for this version. And hopefully we'll be able to find something that is quite easy to run. So you can see that there is quite a few results. Probably the most notable is the one we're about to open up, which is good for 2.20 up to 2.28, and it's on the Rapid 7 page. So good thing about that is that this is actually a module and an exploit, within Metasploit. So it will be very easy for us to actually utilize that to go after this vulnerability in Samba. So what we're going to do is just copy the exploit path, and then we'll close out. We'll head over to MSF console and set up MSF console to go after the server. Alright, so now we've got Metasploit up and running. We're just going to get ourselves a bit of space and going to start by setting up this exploit. So set that up, and first thing we'll do also is just set the payload that we're going to utilize with this exploit. So it'll be a reverse TCP shell that we're going to utilize. Alright, and next we'll just have a look at what options this exploit has and what payload options there are. So we'll need to specify R host and an L host. L host being the Kali Linux machine and the R host being the Samba server, which in our instance is the Kioptrix machine. Alright, and we'll just double check there's no other options that need to be changed. Everything looks good, so we'll run exploit and see if we can trigger this exploit on this machine. Alright, and as you can see there, we've got our remote shell. Just checking, we are on the root account. We'll check what directory we're in and see if we can change over into the root directory. Alright, now we'll need to actually start looking at going after the flag, which is an email. So on this machine, we're going to check the most common place is var mail, which I've just had a bit of a spelling mistake there. But we're just going to go over and just check to see if there's anything in there, whether the folder actually exists, which it does, and there is one there for root. So we'll just cat that, and it'll open up all the mail for the root user, which there's quite a few in there. If we scroll up, we should be able to find towards the very, very top, there'll be a email there that is the flag of this machine. So there you go. There's the flag for this first machine in the series. We will be going through most of them, so stick around and check them out. If you have any requests or there's anything you'd like added or anything done differently, just let me know. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you later.